she wrote a letter asking me to use my imagination on her behalf, that she would like to dispose of a certain property, and she's asking $650,000 for it. Well, I did not know what it was, but she asked it of me, and I invested my time on her behalf. I invested my thought on her behalf, and heard her tell me that all that she asked of me has happened. That's all that I heard. Then I dropped it. It only took me, what? A half minute to work myself up into that emotional state of feeling a happy state for her. But I got a letter from her 2 or 3 weeks ago telling me that everything she asked of me has come to pass. And she also added to that, and many more.